My friends call me Set, and online, I go by the name Mary Patricia. I've always loved creating, whether it's through traditional or digital art, photography, or videography. It's how I connect with the world and express myself. But for the past few years, I struggled in my creative journey, stuck in a cycle of burnout and creative block. I felt lost and uninspired, to be honest. In 2023, I finally acknowledged how I was feeling and started working on getting back to what I love. It was a humbling moment that reminded me that growth often comes from giving ourselves the space to heal. So slowly, I'm starting to find joy in life in general, like creating again, experimenting, making mistakes, and rediscovering things that I used to like. That same year, I began documenting my life, hence this channel. Kind of a video diary, or maybe even like a time capsule of some sort. It's something that I can look back on to see this special little moments that makes life a bit more easy and beautiful. So in this video, let me share some life updates with you guys while you join me on my trip to the north.
Oo, kasi land travel talaga.
Ano pa eh, yung normal pa yung mga salita.
So dito kami ngayon sa Lawag, Ilocos Norte. Nagbe-breakfast lang kami dito sa Jollibee. Then mamaya pupunta na kami ng Pagudpod. Sa may Florida bus kami sasakay ng Lawag to Pagudpod. Kasi baan pala to. Pero maganda yung
Wala na nakapasok dito.
ayun, basahin natin. Kaya natin tanongin mamaya. Feeling ko wala pa naman tao. Kaya tayo lumipat dun. Ay, ayun, nagkakarga. Ayun, nagkakarga ng ano. Ng bagay. Diba na?
Siyempre, ako mapasok dito.
Sa saon.
Hello! Kumukha mo si pork chop. Dito na tayo. Ayan. Ay, gumanda yung araw dito lang po. Ay, tumigil. Banda ron. Baba ka? Pababa lang yun, hindi na kailangan bumili.
Hindi na. supposed to swim. Mauna ka lang.
Mauna ka.
Kasi sinusunod ko yung dinadaanan mo. Ah, palay. Wow! Oh my God! Ang ganda! Ang ganda lang! Come here! Where's my phone? Come here! Play that. Ingat. Hi guys. Yes, you can see we are at the beach. Let's get it away. So we are here at Saud Beach in Ilocos Norte. I'm actually gonna give you some life updates. Last year I made a very, very, very big decision about my career and about my life. I'm very grateful sa kung ano yung meron ako before. But meron talagang kulang pa. And yun yung hinahanap ko sa life ko. And maraming mga nagpa-realize nun sa akin. Yung path ng corporate is not for me. So, I decided na mag-quit na ako. Yes! Unemployed era! I'm actually scared to venture out. Comfortable ako dun sa kung ano yung meron ako before. Then, nag-antay lang ako ng right timing. Hindi ako agad, guys, hindi ako agad-agad umalis. Wag niyong gagawin yon. Kung wala kayong safety net, don't. Hinayaan ko muna, okay, sige, mag-aantay ako ng right timing. Mag-iipon ako. And dumating sa point na I'm already in the verge of burnout kasi nga meron kang 9 to 5, tapos after 9 to 5 mo, may racket ka pa sa gabi. And nawawalan ako ng time sa sarili ko, nawawalan ako ng time sa family, sa friends. Ayun, na-realize ko na I have to go. Okay, medyo privileged enough na ako na mag-quit na lang doon sa corporate 9 to 5. Kasi not everyone is privileged enough na magkaroon ng, mga racket, ng mga ano. So, hindi sila, tsaka hindi ko na naman pinapayo guys na pag may gusto kayo, go nyo na nang hindi kayo nag-iisip. Diba? Pag-isipan nyo muna kung ready na ba kayo financially and mentally. And now, I'm here in Ilocos Norte. So, I'm planning to actually travel more. And, in the first time in my life, I realized that ang sarap pala mabuhay. Life is so great, guys. kalab.
Gano'ng karami, ay gano'ng karami, gano'ng kalaki yung pupunta namin.
Next day lang. Ayun, yung Gershani's ko.
Awat tayo.
Ayun, sa kabilang side tayo.
Ayun, ako na yung tanan.
Wow! I think pag naglo-low tide. Ang babaw lang. Gusto ko mag-drinks. Kapag balik na.
Ay, ganda yung malaki. Ganda yung malaki.
Oh, my God.
Marami tayo kita.
Hi guys, we're still here at Saud. Actually, it's our last day here sa Pagudpod. Babalik na kami ng city proper sa Lawag in a while. But look at this view. It's insane. Look at that view. That's insane. That's the windmill over there. A white beach, blue ocean.
She's my sunshine in the rain. My Tylenol, but I'm in pain, yeah.
Kaya tayo mag-tricycle dito, papuntang ano
Tell
eh.
you what she needs to me.
Oo.
Hi, we're here at Beach Resort Hotel in Lowag City. 8.
Room tour tayo guys. Kasi bida-bida ako. Kape na. So, ito yung hotel. Gabi na guys, hindi ko mapakita sa inyo ng ayos. Pero mamaya, ito siya. Burj, ang dilim. Ito yung ating pasokan. Ha? Hindi, joke lang. So, ito yung aming room. Pasok muna tayo. Ay! Lam! Nalakan ako. Ulit. Take 2. Okay. Tada! So, high ceiling. Bed. Queen size bed. Merong lagayan ng mga damit. May mga lagayan ng mga luggage, ganyan. Tapos merong bedside tables. TV. Merong entertainment. Cable, naka-signal. Merong high chair. Robe. Tapos ko na ngayon. Then merong ganito. Mirror. Then may hagdanan dito kasi may akyatan. Sarap. Hindi, lagayan siya ng mga damit and towel. Ayan. Tapos merong heater, water, complimentary something, merong blower, chinelas, at saka toothbrush. Ito yung CR. So nice. Mataas din yung ceiling. So, ayan siya. May nagtoothbrush siya. Merong hand soap, tissue, merong shampoo, and body soap. Nakuha ko lang to for around 3,000 pesos kasi naka 50% off sila dahil off season ngayon until March. So, lilink ko yung page nila sa baba. Vlogger! Ito pala yung cameraman ko. Alog-alog talaga to.
2.5, pangilan ba yung 2.5?
Ha?
Pangilanan niya 2.5.
Pang 5, pang 4.
I like the vision of us, but something more, 'cause being just friends ain't enough. Yeah, girl, we've been dancing too much late at night, and I just got a confession. Yeah. If it's a crime to tell you how I feel, then I don't wanna be right, 'cause it's killing me to sit all these emotions aside. We don't have to hide this no more. No more. Ooh, baby, I don't know why it's so hard to tell ya. The feelings inside come sooner or later. And honestly, I'm not afraid to say what we could be. That's why it's gonna be my everlasting love. I've been really taking my time. Anticipating